Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your preferences with LinkedIn Learning, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your preferences in LinkedIn Learning, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn Learning homepage. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Preferences section. Click on Preferences to access your settings. Here, you will find various options related to your learning experience. To reset your preferences, look for the Reset Preferences option. Click on this option to begin the reset process. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure about the reset. Confirm your choice to proceed. After confirming, your preferences will be reset to default settings. You will see a notification indicating that the reset was successful. To personalize your experience again, revisit the Preferences menu. Adjust any preferences according to your learning style and needs. Explore other settings to enhance your overall LinkedIn learning experience. Once you have made your adjustments, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Now you are ready to start fresh with your LinkedIn learning journey. Your preferences are now reset, allowing you to tailor your learning as you see fit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.